Welcome back, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me in today's session. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing on YouTube, I welcome you. Today, we are going to discuss another very important and exciting lecture, and that is relates to how to hide unnecessarily menu items. I mean, if you click on any of the menu, and there are different types of menu links which are available. For example, browse in bridge, in mini bridge, and close and go to bridge, and maybe automate script and print one copy. If you are not interested in any type of this menu item, you can simply hide them. How can you do it? Let's move on to the editing part. So simply go to the Windows panel into the menus, and inside the workplace, here is the keyboard shortcuts and the menus. Here are the shortcuts which we are not interested right now. In the next topic, we are going to discuss this. And in the menu item, here are some of the interesting things which you can very easily do. If you click any of the file menu item, file means file. This is the main menu. From file, you can see all of those items. They are also listed here. Let's suppose we were discussing about browse in bridge. We are not interested in this item. Let me click here. Let me click here, as well as close and go to the bridge. I don't need this item also. And even at the bottom, what you can do is into the sub menus, you can even don't need scripts and all those type of things like this. For example, print one copy. We are not interested in this also. Let's make it invisible and click OK. And now while clicking upon file menu, you see there's nothing like item that is available into this. However, you can go again to the menu work items, this, and you can save this workspace, save these all changes to current set of menus, or you can do it, but you can make this with a new, your own new items, a new set based on the current setting which you have saved, and that will be open up as a default. Further, you can do what you can do is, let me cancel this, and from the file menu we'll click here and show. While clicking upon show all menu items, all menu things will be back in fact. So that is how you can which are in fact not required items under those menus, you can simply go to hide and unhide. So that's it for today's tips and tricks topic. I hope this thing will help you a lot in maximizing your creativities and all those things which are not required. Let's make them hide and do some creative work based upon your desired things. So thank you very much for joining me in today's session. Hope to speak to you soon again. And till then, bye bye.